really quickly, I'm going to show you guys another site that you can use for free to at least look at the search volume. So if you're not using TubeBuddy or vidIQ, you can go to this site that I linked below. If you go ahead and type in any keyword, like for instance, as an example, if you type in a keyword like make money online, you can see the sort of search volume there is. So the 74,000. You can see kind of paid difficulty, which is actually going to be basically your CPM. So that means it's harder. That means you have to pay more money to get an ad on it, which basically means it has a higher CPM. So this is kind of a quick way you can check CPMs, difficulties. So SEO difficulty would be, SEO difficulty is basically the competition. So you have search volume and competition here. Basically you have your CPM. And then cost per click, which is basically another way of looking at kind of CPM as well. So you can get a good idea of the search volume for these keywords. And then they also give you tons of different keyword ideas as well. So if you click on that, you'll see a bunch of different keyword ideas, and you can filter them by CPC or volume as well. So then if I type in make money on YouTube, you will see the search volume is still high, but the SEO difficulty is a lot easier. Paid difficulty is lower, so that means that make money online makes more money than make money on YouTube. And CPC is a little lower too, so again, that would say that as well. But search volume is high, but the SEO difficulty is difficulty. So that is easier. So that'll start giving you an idea of just what the search volume in general is for different keywords and what the competition may be for different keywords. So just another site that you can go to that's completely free, where you can get keyword ideas and things like that. Another site that you can use to kind of study keywords and search volumes, competition, CPMs, and things like that without having to use vidIQ or TubeBuddy.